So today we are going to make a recipe of blends. Recipe of blends. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to see the ingredients. Ingredients we have to see. So the main ingredients are 2 or more than 2 consonants. 2 or more than 2 consonants. Can you please tell me which letter is this? Which consonant is this? Very good. Now can you please do the action? Do the action. Very good. Very good. Now I am going to add this in my bowl. And I am going to stir it. Very good. Now one more consonant we have to add. We have to add another consonant. So which consonant is this? Which consonant is this? R. Very good. And what is the sound of R? Very good. Now I have to mix it well. Come on, stir like this. Mix it well. I want to blend it. Come on, do it everyone. Now, what we get? जब हमने इन दोनों consonants को mix किया, we get tr, tr, tr. T and R, tr, t, tr, t, tr. Now you have to make some words related to beginning letter tr hona chahiye. Come on, make it. So this one goes there. Tr, 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 tr. Now can you please tell me, if we mix P and L, what we get? Tree. Very good. Very good. Lovely, lovely. 59 answers. I really loved it. Now, which alphabet is this? And तो क्या हो जाएगा? Pl, pl, pl. Train, tree. Very good. Now pl से related आपको बताना है. Related to pl. कौन से ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जिसमें ब्लेंडिंग साउंड आता है? प्ल, प्ल. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. वेल डन. 65 आंसर्स. आई रियली लव्ड इट. प्लस. वेरी गुड. प्लम. वेरी गुड. वेल डन. वेल डन. नाउ which blend is this? Slow, slow, slow. Now think. And mama papa बिल्कुल help नहीं करेंगे. You have to think by your own. You have to think by your own. Don't take anybody's help. S-L, slow. S-L, slow. Slow, slow. Come on, do it. S-L, slow. Very good. Slow. Sleep. Swing. Slap. B-R, br. B-R, br. Br. Brown. Br. Br. Brush. Br. Br. Brother. So, draw. Plur, slur, br. Very good. Blur. Blue. Blush. Blush. Very good. Blue and blush. Black. Well done. Well done. Black. Very good. Well, blast. Very good. Very good. Blood. Very good. Very good, children. Now, C-L, cl. C-L, cl. Cl. F-R, fr. Fr से related सोचो. Fresh. Frog. Very good. Very good. Free. Very good. Friday. Well done. Well done. Friday. Very good. Very good. Now, which one is this? Skirt. Skirt. Skill. Skip. Skirt. Very good. Tour. Tour. 20. Twins. Two. Glue. Very good. Glow. Glad. Well done. Very beautiful words. Now, which blend is this? Grow. Grow. Very good. Grow. Ground. Grass. Green. Grow. Very good. Gray. Very good.